This is the Smart Standard 6-foot barn door track. This thing is made out of very heavy duty metal, and I will tell you, it was super simple to put up. Literally, all we use is a pencil, a drill, and a level, and it was very easy to get up. Now, the unit comes with the track ahead, the two things that go on your barn door with the wheels, the very sleek and stylish handle, and this is the back part. This is the inside of our bathroom, and then this is the outside. It rolls really easy. We actually don't have a stopper here just because this was exactly 6 feet, and all it does is just kind of hit the woodwork there, but it does stop. This thing also has the stabilizer, so you can keep it in between here and keep the door rolling so nobody pushes it out. Overall, it's a very, very beautiful, easy functioning track.